Okay everyone, learn to code by coding, LeetCode 1108, defending an IP address. Okay, well, basically we have this address, which is a string, and we have to replace every dot for this dot inside a square brackets. So, little tip before we give you the solution. Basically, it's the replace function. Oops. It's a replace function, or you can also search for string replace function. Well, I encourage you to pause the video, try to solve it on your own, and then come back to see if our solutions are similar. But okay, well, basically we can solve this in one line. We start with our return statement, and it will go address, which is our input dot replace, which is the function I said earlier, and then we use the quotation marks. So inside this first quotation we specify what do we want to replace, which is the dot, then comma, and once again quotation marks, and now it's time to state or write what do we want to replace the dot with, which is a square brackets with a dot between them. So that's it pretty much. If we run the code we can see it works, and here we go. And if we submit, we also see, well, it's a success. Well, thank you for watching. If you solved it differently, please comment below, and we'll see each other next time.